We're here with Dr. Jean Powell. Please tell us what's going on and introduce your friends here.
I'm Dr. Jean Powell, as you know. I also belong to Savanna Rotary Group. And with me is Rotarian Hyacinth and Rotarian Marva from Savanna Rotary. They're here to help us. There'll be additional Rotarians coming in today to give us a hand.
All right, so this health fair here, ladies, what are your thoughts on the Jaja Foundation coming down here in Little London and in your area to help out with some health services?
This is wonderful. This is well needed in the community and we appreciate it a lot. Okay. And I'm so happy to be a part of it through my club, Rotary, Savanna.
All right, and what about you, ma'am?
You know, when I came in this morning, I saw some of my students and I was pleased.
You're the principal of?
The Broughton Primary School.
Right.
And I'm happy to volunteer. I'm happy to be a part of this health fair. And I know it's going to be beneficial, especially to our students. One student this morning I spoke to him and said, "Why aren't you smiling?" "Oh, my teeth hurts." I said, "Pretty soon they will not hurt anymore because you will get some assistance." So I want to thank the Jaja Foundation for this annual event. It is really very needed and it's free. Persons cannot afford health fair, so it is beneficial to them.
Well, thank you for coming out and for supporting, also volunteering your time, because that helps. You see, Jaja Foundation means Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home, but the Jamaicans at home also help. You understand, Dr. Powell? Any closing thoughts?
Yes, speaking of Jamaicans at home helping, Rotarians, Savanna Rotarians are trying to get Manga Hall School back on track. And Rotarian Marva and Rotarian Hilda and our President Sandra are the ones we are working diligently to get Manga Hall School reopened.
Okay, well, continue to keep up the great work and keep trying the best for Jamaica. We know that you're a patriot. You left New York, return home, to come and serve us down here, and we greatly appreciate you, right?
Yes, indeed.
Indeed, indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you too.